Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to make your emails more interactive and professional, today's video is for you. I'll show you exactly how to turn a simple image in Gmail into a clickable link, perfect for newsletters, promotions, or even personal messages. Stick with me till the end because I'll also share a quick tip to make sure your link works every single time. Let's jump right in. First, open your Gmail account and click on the Compose button in the top left corner. This opens up a new email window where we'll set everything up. Now, look at the formatting toolbar at the bottom of your draft. Click the Insert Photo icon. It looks like a little picture frame. You can upload an image from your computer, pick one from Google Photos, or paste in an image URL if it's hosted online. Once you've chosen your image, it'll appear right inside your email. Here comes the key step: making that image clickable. Click on the image once so it's highlighted, then in the toolbar, hit the insert link icon. That's the chain symbol. By default, Gmail links the image to itself, but we want to change that. You'll see an option to change the link. Click it, then paste the website address or destination URL you want. This could be your website, your YouTube channel, or even a product page. Finally, click Apply. Before you hit Send, here's my pro tip. Always double check your link. Just click the image again and confirm that it points to the correct destination. It only takes a second, but it guarantees your email looks polished and works exactly as intended. And that's it. Once you're happy, finish your message, add your recipient, and click Send. You've just created a professional email with a clickable image. By turning
Hey guys,
images into
we have people
hyperlinks,
take
you
almost
instantly
there.
make your emails more dynamic and engaging with Tisebois. The best part, it only takes a few clicks. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more practical tech guides. And let me know in the comments